Hi guys, if you're watching this video, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother, that means you are interested in becoming a graduate marine engineer and hopefully you are in some year of your BTech mechanical engineering degree or you are doing a degree which has got BTech in mechanical plus automation or mechanical plus electronics, something like that, right? And suddenly you have found out one day कि मुझे merchant navy join करना है, it is a good field, I'm not getting good campus placement in college और दी कोर दैट आई वांटेड उसमें आगे बिजनेस नहीं है, उसमें आगे अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई वांट टू जॉइन मर्चेंट नेवी. सो पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगा, लव टू टेल यू द लाइफ ऑफ अ मर्चेंट नेवी engineer because you'll become an engineer. So I sailed for 14 years. I was a chief engineer when I decided that I'll start my business, and then I left sea for some time and I have not been able to go back for the last 5 years. But one thing I want to tell you, working in engine room is like working in hell. So you're working, you see, assume अगर आप बीटेक मैकेनिकल you're working with all the machineries, main engine, compressors, fresh water generators, purifiers, सब machineries चल रही हैं. So all these machineries when they are running ना, they produce a lot of sound. So you're wearing earmuffs on your head all the time, on your ears all the time, and still you cannot hear the other person. It's too noisy. First thing. Second thing is, guys, in my 14 years while I was working, there have been very rarest of the rarest occasions where I've seen my urine color to be normal white, and that was only maybe when my ship was in Canada. Otherwise, I have normally seen temperature of 40 degrees, 45 degrees, 48, 52, 55, 56, 58 degrees centigrade temperature in engine room, where we would used to have cramps. All boiler suit जो हम पहनते थे always drenched in sweat and urine always yellow in color. And yes, one more thing, each day climbing at least stairs 1,000, not 1,000, maybe 10,000 stairs a day, going up, going down, going up, going down. Because engine room is vertical, boss. So अब मैं when I'm in JMD Academy, when I'm in SMVD Marine Academy, I have to climb say 4 floors. I feel, oh God, it's tiring. And I sometimes forget कि यार engine room में तो it used to be like a cakewalk for me. So life on board ship is not easy. You have to know that. So yes, अगर आप core BTech mechanical में if you're working and you're thinking यार 20,000 salary है, 30,000 salary है, then definitely merchant navy is going to give you much more than that. But what you are going to give is you are going to sacrifice your time. You are going to sacrifice that hard work that you are going to put in out here. You are going to stay away from your family, which matters the most. And if you are ready for that, and if you are ready to give this much hard work that I am telling you, then you are most welcome to join Merchant Navy as an engineer. Now, as an engineer, so one thing that you need to know about is GME eligibility criteria. So your maximum age is 28 years. Then educational qualification is that you have to do a BTech in mechanical engineering or naval architecture with a minimum score of 50% in aggregate. In 10+2, a minimum score of 50% subject of English in 10+2 is a compulsory. Medical में 6/12 in both the eyes or 6/9 in one eye and 6/10 in another eye. Now these are a lot of things that you need to know. Then another thing that will come to mind is which is the best college? How much will be the fees? Will I get education loan or not? And these are just normal queries. So if you have decided कि I am interested in graduate marine engineering course, then one thing that I want to recommend you immediately in this short video is download Merchant Navy Start app, and you'll find everything in that app. Recommended colleges, their fees, exam pattern, a complete series on graduate marine engineering की भैया course क्या eligibility क्या है, क्या fee structure है, everything you'll get here. So I think getting the right knowledge is important. Why you want to join GME is important. What you'll achieve from that is also very important. And then working hard to get in those good colleges that you are eligible for, that is also very important. So in case you need any kind of guidance, you can contact SMVD Marine Academy, that is our offline coaching for GME, for free guidance. Don't worry, the contact number is out here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.